So, welcome in Rome Station. This is actually an old building of Rome Station. Pretty neat. Loved it. This is the entrance. You go in. Look at this old door. This is what they call lobby. And this is the look inside the building. You can see there's the antique heater. That's the original heater back in the old days. And look at that window. That's the entrance there. And that's where the ticket office. This is the bench. Look at the bench. So beautiful. And if you can see, that is a woman. So I don't know why. There's a woman in the other side. Actually, it's a baggage area. So maybe back then the women separate from the men. Who knows? But I love that columns right there. Pretty. So this is what it looks like inside. It's pretty empty, but it's lovely. Look at that big wide window. And this is the staircase going up. And this is the hardwood. This is a hardwood. Oh my goodness, beautiful. And this is a cast iron. Look, that cast iron railings, it's from here, goes up there, all the way to the other side, if you can see it. And again, there's another bench on the other side. So from this side to the other side. And there's this one here is a telephone. It says telephone, so I would imagine this is the telephone room where if you want to contact family members, whoever. So that's where you can find the telephone. And then this way, this door is actually on the way to where the train and the restroom. So in that area, they're still working on renovation, but I noticed that they actually keep all the hardwood, the old, wall. This is amazing. Loved it. And again, so look at that. So there's the baggage room. And I love the chandelier. So pretty. The ceiling is so pretty. Love it. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And it's seemed like really empty building, but it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah. Anyways, I thought I'm just gonna share that with you. Alright, so as you notice, the heater, the antique heater is kinda, every corner has it. Pretty. And that's all for today. Talk to you later. This is Miss Jessica Hodgkinson. Have a good day.